So it looks like we got one. Another one for the Empire.
This is our first Netherlands cat empire situation going on here. And he's coming for some love.
He's curious.
Here we are in somewhere in the Netherlands. Do you want to give him a pan view, Bo, of our little farm station tonight?
So, once again, Warm Showers delivers. This time we've got a camping option where we hit up a guy and he's gratefully contacted his parents who own a farm, although they're not farmers, and they're more than happy for us to pitch our tent on their lawn, which is awesome.
And Emma's got a new mate, so she's happy.
Emma's got a new mate. We're not too far off dinner, so I'm happy.
I'd just like to report that today I towed Bo in a headwind for 5 hours.
I can confirm this. I have been boxed this last week.
Poor Bo.
But hopefully I'll be getting it good soon.
Peace out from the Netherlands cat. That'll do, Bo.
But these cats are funny. Oi. Oi.